Hello students, welcome to today's class. In our today's class, we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 third problem. So, in this problem, it is given that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. So, it is required to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ. So, this we have to prove. So, let us first take a linear plane. Here, angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180 forms a linear plane. So let us take, as it is given that angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. We have to take another part of the linear plane, that is angle PRQ plus PRT equal to 180 degrees. Linear plane. Here it is equal to 180. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180, and here angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180. We can equate these two because both are equal to 180 here. So angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Again here we can observe this angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So in place of angle PQR we can write angle PRQ. So we will get angle PRQ plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. After cancelling these two, we will get angle PQS equal to angle PRT, which is required to prove. Okay, let us see fourth problem. Coming to fourth problem, here you can see from the figure, it is given x plus y equal to w plus z. X plus y equal to w plus z. So let us take all the angles, sum of all the angles, that is let of x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degrees. As we know that sum of all these angles forms an angle at a point. So it's a complete circle, we can take its angle as 360. But according to the question, they gave x plus y equal to w plus z. So I am taking in place of x plus y, I am taking w plus z. Because here we can see in place of x plus y, I am taking w plus z as x plus y is equal to w plus z equal to 360 degrees. Here w plus w, 2w plus z 2z equal to 360 degrees. Taking out 2 common from this, we will get w plus z equal to 360 degrees. W plus z equal to, taking out this 2 to the other side, we will get 360 by 2 is equal to 180 degrees. We have known that angle on a straight line is 180. So as you can see, w plus z forms an angle on a straight line. Therefore, the straight line is AOB is equal to 180 degrees. Angle AOB equal to 180 degrees, which is nothing but, and AOB is a straight line, which is required. This is the required thing to prove. AOB is a straight line. Fifth problem. From the figure you can see POQ is a line. POQ is a line, and OR is perpendicular to PQ. Here it is given OR is perpendicular to PQ. Perpendicular in the sense the ray OR is making an angle 90 degrees with the line PQ. So from this we can take OR is perpendicular to PQ. So angle, from the figure you can observe angle POR is equal to 90 degrees and angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. So as these two are 90 degrees each, we can equate these two. Angle POR is equal to angle ROQ. This is, we equated these two as both the angles are 90 and 90. Now coming to other part of the question, that is ROS, angle ROS. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. So this is the OR ray which lies between these two rays. So let us take angle ROS from the first part here. From this part I am taking ROS. How do we get ROS here? Angle POR minus, if you take the total angle here, angle POR minus angle POS. If we take this angle from the total angle, we will get angle ROS. So angle POR minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS. In the similar way, for this part, you can see this ROS is added to angle QOR. So to find out again ROS from this total, what is the total angle here? Angle ROS. This is one part. Let us take part 1. First equation. Now let us take the other one, that is angle QOS equal to, I am taking angle QOS. Here you can see angle ROS plus angle ROQ. When we add these two angles, we will get angle QOS. But what we require is angle ROS. So take this ROQ to the other side, we will get angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle ROQ. Here also we got ROS, and from this also we have ROS. This is 2. Now let us, according to the question, we need angle ROS equal to half into angle QOS minus angle POS. So now let us add these two. 1 plus 2 equal to angle ROS plus angle ROS. I am adding LHS first. Okay, ROS plus ROS, and now RHS part. Angle POR minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus angle ROQ. So we can cancel POR and ROQ, plus POR and plus minus ROQ as, okay, let me write one more step here. As we know, angle POR is equal to angle ROQ. I am replacing angle POR with ROQ. So here 2 angle ROS equal to ROQ minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus angle ROQ. Plus ROQ minus ROQ cancel. So we remain with 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOS, positive angle I am writing first, angle QOS minus angle POS. Taking out these 2 to the other side, angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS by 2. Taking this 1 by 2 first, we will get angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS, which is the required one to choose. Hope you all understood 3 problems. The remaining problems will continue in the next class.